All right, hello everyone. We're making green bean casserole. We're getting ready for Thanksgiving, so every week we're gonna make a new side dish. First things first, I have 2 cups of cashews that I soaked in water for the last couple hours. Yeah, touch. Let's drain off the cashews. Toss them in a pot of hot boiling water, along with a few cloves of garlic. For 10 minutes, please. Thank you. What are these, Roseanne? Mushrooms! And I highly recommend getting cremini mushrooms, which are baby bella mushroom. Cremini. These are baby portobellos, Rose. They have a lot more flavor than the white button mushrooms and cost like an extra 20 cents a pound. Add some olive oil to your ceramic pan. Scoop up the boatload of mushrooms, drop them in. And because I'm not trying to caramelize them, I'm gonna salt them now to draw out some moisture and add a little bit of pepper. 10 minutes is up. I'm gonna drain the cashews and garlic, but save the liquid. Add the red onions, the chopped fresh thyme. This is my new obsession. I make homemade minced garlic in olive oil. Unbelievable flavor. Pinch of salt, crack a pepper, and we'll let that cook another 3 to 4 minutes. We're gonna take our cashews with our garlic, add that to a blender. It's actually important to do this while everything is hot. We'll add some salt, pepper, good extra virgin olive oil, some lemon juice. This is why I saved it. Some of the boiling liquid to loosen up the sauce, nutritional yeast, 1.5 tablespoons. All right, come on over here. I need your help now. And then crank it. There you go. It's a little too tight in there. I think we need more water. What do you think? All right, that's what we're talking about. We got some jiggle, jiggle, wiggle, wiggle in there. Salted, boiling water. 2 pounds of green beans. And we're gonna blanch these for 3 minutes. Rose is over in her kitchen getting the ice bath ready for the green beans. Green beans come out. Fun fact, it's never good to put boiling water down your drain, so I always let it cool off. Take Rose's ice, fill it up with some cold water. Green beans, check. Mushroom mixture, check. Cream mixture, check. Oven preheated, let's rock and roll. Cashew cream goes in the mixture of onions and mushrooms. Next thing you know, you have cream of mushroom soup that's completely vegan, which is mind-boggling. Wow, that's delicious. You gotta try this. The cashew mixture with the mushrooms. You don't want to? Pour that mixture on the green beans. We'll take the best tools in the kitchen, our hands. Mix it all up. Leilani, can you bring the dish over here? I'm a little preoccupied. Thank you. Transfer to the baking dish. Did somebody turn off my oven? Somebody turned off my oven! Was that Mom? Who turned off my oven? Oh, hold on. It went into slumber mode. My bad. Okay, Rose's oven is too smart. It went into slumber mode. It's back. Everything's good again, Rose. Thanksgiving is saved. Wow, an oven has a slumber mode. Who knew? We take a layer of unbleached parchment paper, a layer of heavy-duty tin foil, and just in case it bubbles over, you want some insurance, and we'll bake it covered for 25 minutes. All right, this is the time I want to take some pecans that I did a rough chop on and put it on top. Now, I'm sorry to say I could not find a Bobby-approved crispy onion. They all had either palm oil or bad flour, so we're gonna just go with the pecans here. All right, we are done. Desi, take a look here.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Vegan, plant-based.
Wow.
Huh? It's gonna cool down for a few minutes. We'll take a photo. We'll put it on the blog so you guys can make it too. And by the way, I used the Bobby approved oven gloves coming in the cookware set that is literally 1 month away. So let's snap a photo of BRB.
Let's do this. That's beautiful.
Ooh, it's nice and saucy. That's what I was looking
very
for.
saucy.
Yeah, it's good. Ooh, look at that, Desso. Come on.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Not your typical.
Campbell's cream of mushroom soup, vegan, pecan encrusted green bean casserole. But is it going to taste good and fool everyone? Let's try it.
Wow. That's another question.
You go first,
so
my dear.
let's see.
I want a big piece with mushrooms and everything.
Wow. Look at that mushroom.
Wowzers.
Crunch of the pecans. The green beans still have a bite.
They do.
Which I love that.
They do.
That's a great texture profile with the creaminess of the cashews.
Well said. You're like a chopped judge. All right.
Amazing.
This is great. Make it, because Desi just took a photo. I'll type the recipe on flavcity.com. Winner, green bean casserole dinner for your Thanksgiving table. That's it, you guys. We'll see you next week for another one of these Thanksgiving recipes.